This salad is not just filling, it's protein packed, spicy, tangy, and super fresh. So let's make it. Start by soaking 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a little water, just enough to puff them up, not too much. We are taking 1 chicken breast and cutting it into small 1-inch pieces. Now, into a pressure cooker, add these chicken chunks. For flavor, I'm dropping in a mesh spice ball filled with 6 to 7 peeled garlic cloves and a small piece of ginger. If you want to buy this spice ball, I've also attached the link in the description. You can go ahead and purchase it from there. Now add half teaspoon of salt and half cup of water. Pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Our goal is to cook the chicken and dry up all the water. To the soaked chia seeds, add 1/4 teaspoon black salt, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon sweet chili hot sauce, half teaspoon mustard sauce, 1 teaspoon Szechuan chutney, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix it all really well. This is a spicy tangy flavor base. इसी से हमारी सैलेड का फ्लेवर और स्ट्रेंथ फॉर्म होता है. The chicken is done soft and juicy and all the water is evaporated. Take out the ginger garlic spice ball. In a large bowl, add the chicken, then add 1 boiled potato chopped, some chopped red bell pepper, sliced green bell pepper, sliced yellow bell pepper, cucumber pieces, spring onion stems, finely chopped lettuce, 1 apple diced, and half onion sliced thin. Pour in that spicy chia dressing and mix it all really well. This salad has got everything: protein from the chicken, good carbs from potato, fiber from apple, and antioxidants from all those fresh veggies. Chia seeds bring omega 3s and help keep you full for longer. Finish it off with some pomegranate pearls and a sprinkle of white sesame seeds. That pop of color and crunch. So good, right? That's it. Nutrient dense, flavor loaded, and perfect meal. Try this one out and I promise you won't miss junk food today. Thank you for watching the Yummy Vibes. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.